Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install SQLite 3 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. The process is same for all Ubuntu versions. Let's connect to Ubuntu machine. Open terminal. Let's verify SQLite 3 version is installed or not. See, we don't have the SQLite. So to install it, first we have to update sudo apt get update. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now install SQLite 3. Sudo apt get install SQLite 3. This is the command and hit enter. It is very simple and straight. See, we have successfully installed SQLite 3. Okay. Now let's verify the version of SQLite 3. See, we have installed SQLite 3 3.37. Ctrl L to clear. Now we will see how to connect to SQLite 3. Command is SQLite 3. Then this is the fresh installation, so we don't have any database. So I am giving R2 schools. See, it will create the database, and the commands that we are going to perform are in this R2 school. So let's create a table. Create table student s name, s number, int s name, varchar. Close it. Select star. Let's verify. See, we don't have any data. Let's insert some data. Some more data. This typo, Control C. See, it is typo. So insert into student values 101 quotations David. Verify the data. Put semicolon. See, we have two rows. To verify list out the databases, u dot databases. If you want to see current database, to verify list of the tables, give the dot tables. See, we have only one table. Let me create another table. Test. Now verify again. Now it will show another table. See, we have two tables. If you want to quit, Control C. Control C. Now create another database. Let's verify list of tables in this database. See, this is the fresh database, so we don't have any tables. If you want to quit from this SQLite shell, use Ctrl Z from your keyboard. See, we are out of the SQLite shell. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and connect to SQLite 3 on Ubuntu 22.04. Then we have seen how to create a database, then how to create tables and verify number of the databases, and how to create a table and check the tables information and insert some data in those tables. Okay. For more SQLite or Ubuntu or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.